This is where high-heel board goes wrong.
But how do you turn it?
Oh, he was studying.
Oh,
he was studying.
Oh, one, you could do 1 forward and one. Okay.
It's a workout.
Oh, he was studying, bro. Yeah.
Keep going, keep going. Oh, yeah, Sean. Yeah, Sean. Yeah, Sean.
This shit. That shit hurt my.
Oh!
Ah, you got him! You got him! You got him!